Sana kung sinigang natin. Yes. What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. We are back here at Laughlin at Davis Camp. Sorry, pasensya na. Medyo matagal-tagal tong hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Medyo busy kasi eh. But we are here again and we're gonna be doing our normal thing, camp and cook. I'll take you guys there. Alright, first of all, let's open some cold one. Palamig muna tayo. Yeah. And shout out to Haze Wonder, who got me this for my birthday. Yeah. Okay. Oh, shoot. Yep. Thanks, Haze. Cheers, y'all. And of course, it's the finals for NFL too. What's the best way to watch it is at a campsite.
Kenny Pickett will do that one more time.
Woo, watch the game here. View. Yeah.
Great game there by
Old ones.
Jalen Hurts. I think his ability to pass the football tonight really set the tone for this team. 20 to 28.
All right, let's get camp all set up.
What a night to be a football fan. It's a beautiful night. This matchup America has been longing for. It's the AFC Championship game between the Buffalo Bills and the Kansas City Chiefs, with the winner heading to New Orleans. The Big Easy, Super Bowl 59, and a matchup with the NFC champion Philadelphia Eagles. What a night it is. Hello, friends. Jim Nance alone, my friend. Tony Romo, Brady, that rivalry. Here we go tonight.
Alright, so ngayon, magluluto na tayo ng sinigang salmon. Kasi Haze, nag-vlog, gumawa kasi siya ng vlog, like, he just recently posted a vlog about salmon sinigang. Eh, nainggit ako. Parang sarap kasi, so subukan natin gawin din. First time, but this is what we got. Yeah, we got the salmon, lazy mix, sinigang mix, kamatis, at maghihiwa na tayo. Rice is cooking right now. Tsaka siyempre power ng Jackery. Yeah. So, mag-iwa na tayo. Yeah. Of course, he said we're not really gonna cook everything. And they're all gonna be bite size. Radish. String beans. Bite size lang. Paano mo pag-iwan ng kamatis?
Yeah, ganyan.
Ito lang. Yan lang.
Yeah, ganyan lang. Dudurog na ba?
Oh, yeah. Ito, ganyan.
Oh.
Okay. Siyempre, lagyan na natin ng tubig. Para... Gano'ng karaming tubig?
Hindi ganyan mo. Ang soup naman natin.
Habang hinihintay natin nagbubol yung tubig, kuha muna tayo ng sandwich. Of course. Nice view. Cheers, everyone.
Wawa naman may sugat. Uy, may sugat yarn. Or sa Gio.
Iwain mo natin yung ano, salmon.
Salmon.
Tapos bukas, lutuin din natin yung ano, pang, yung tawag doon? Salmon silog.
Oh, may ganun po.
Yeah.
Lahat ba yan?
Hindi, kalahati lang. Ba-bite size natin siya. Bite size. Okay. Yan na natin na. Yes. Oh, smell the sinigang mix already. Lagyan ko na mga kamatis. Kamatis, lagyan na natin yan. Tsaka maganto, lagyan na natin. Tagal lumambot itong mga radish eh. Sana natin siya. Tsaka talong, no? O yung mga ano.
Basta huli-huli yun.
Lagay ko na lahat to.
Yeah, laki.
So, hintayin natin siyang kumulo. But you can smell that already. Medyo lumalamig. So, tayo ay mag-shot. Yeah. And pickleback. Yes. So, one shot.
No.
One shot.
No.
Compare hotels at the Hotels.com app.
Doug.
You'll be back! Emus can't help people customize and save hundreds on car insurance with Liberty Mutual. Your
Cheers.
shirt's a flightless bird!
No, he's a dreamer, right?
Well, I'll be. That bird really good.
Alright, kumukulo na siya. Lagyan na natin yung salmon para ready na. Tapos siyempre last na lalagyan natin sa taas. Last na yan. Lagyan
Anong
na
tawag doon?
bok choy.
Bok choy.
Di ba bok choy yan?
Hindi ako kumakain ng gulay.
Yun oh. Shit.
Yung
So,
luto niya, tingnan mo yung view namin dito.
grabe. Grabe. Boil or lagyan na natin sa taas? Or isang boil pa tapos lagyan na natin sa taas na pinali. If you can smell that, ang bango. Grabe.
Ay, ka muna.
Siyempre, pinali. Lagyan na sa taas. Kumukulo na siya eh. And it's all ready to go.
Wala talaga.
Siyempre. First time.
Pwede na talaga mag-asawa ulit. Mga 10 asawa pa. Sugat ka?
So we're just gonna make that simmer and then we're good to go. Check this out. Oh yeah. You guys can only smell this. Shoosh. Sarap. Yeah. Tapos.
For two. Try to make it a field goal. Allen again. Out of the gun. Brings in Ty Johnson. Looks right. Looks left. Looks down the middle. Pressured. Ball comes out. And it's fallen on by chances. Chris Jones was the one who busted it up. And they're 0 for 2 to be called on. Season on the line right here. Here it comes.
Tagal nyo.
The game's over. Can Mahomes do it? Got the P-Ron. P-Ron makes the move around Bernard. And they'll clinch it.
Finally. Tagal nyo. Huwag mo masyado siya todo.
I know, I'm gonna block it that way.
Oh, sige.
It's all.
Alright, so we got JR and Taylor. They are here now. Tapos kasama siya nun. Sabalo! Hey! Yeah. So Taylor.
Hi.
It's a long time.
I know. Had to wait for it to be freezing. You're just so cute.
Bakal pa di.
Bakal ba?
Sa pa natin. Oh.
Hindi naman tatama doon, di ba, sa branches? Ito natin nakatitipan.
Dito.
Bakal pa dito.
Dito.
Sa pa natin. Bakal pa siya.
Oo. Ay, sa kabila na lang kayo. Wala, bakal.
Bakal siya. Move namin yung tent.
Mali, mali.
Oh, mali. Atras ko doon na sa kabila.
Okay. Diretso lang. Yan. Oops! Oops, sama na. Ah, sige, auntie pa. Maano dun sa ano eh.
Sige.
Sige pa. Yan, tama na.
Okay na?
Yan, yan, tama na. Anong nangyari, boss?
Kailangan namin move kasi matitigas ng mga ano eh, sa bakal. Sa baba. Matitigas eh.
No. Nakakamiss mag-fit. Ang laki talaga.
Laki yun eh.
Nagamit na ba natin yan?
Oh.
I have to be real careful not to move down.
Pag ganito ba naman?
Alright mga bossing, so sarado na natin yung vlog. Medyo dumidilim na. So we're just gonna drink, have a good time, and basically I'll see you guys tomorrow for breakfast. Morning mga bossing, next day na. Yun, last night was like really windy. Sobrang hangin, grabe. At it's time to make some coffee, pero restroom muna tayo. Let's go. Nice and calm. lutuin na natin yung tira natin. With just leftover rice, tapos yung tira natin na sa lutuin na natin siya. Pop, pop. Tuna. Right, okay na. Salmon, hotdog, kamatis, kanin. Sold. Alright guys, tapusin ko na itong vlog ko. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. And hopefully marami pa tayong mga camping cook. And see you guys on our next video, okay?